What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and yes, it is December 23rd, and the DJI drone ban is official, and it's both better and worse than you thought. Let me explain. First, the good news, you can still fly your drones. I was actually outside flying my drone already today. Everything is going to continue to work that you already have. Don't believe me?
3, 2, 1.
Your drones are going to continue to work. If you already have a DJI drone or any other drone, they will work. They will continue to work. The only way they will not work is if DJI somehow agrees to brick all of their drones. There's no reason for them to. There's no reason why they should. The government isn't going to force them to do that. If you have something, it's going to work. So here is what actually has happened. There is a drone ban. All foreign-made drones and their components will no longer just automatically be approved by the FCC. There's a review process. I believe Homeland Security gets to decide what comes in and what doesn't, so they're going to be cherry-picking these drones. And yes, DJI is probably not going to make that list, nor is Autel, nor will some of those other drones like Skyrover and Specta. But the ones that have already been approved, you can still buy, you can still fly today, tomorrow, and into the future. Is this frustrating? Yes. But we're not grounded. We're not going to be grounded. You can continue to fly if that's what you want to do. So fly your drones, buy your drones, but just know we're not going to continue to get updated technology. That stuff, well, hopefully there's an American company that's going to start doing this. But sadly, they're not concerned about the hobbyist market because there just isn't enough money in it. So hold on to your drones, fly your drones, buy drones if you're still interested. Just get out there and start flying. Keep flying. If you have questions, if you're not sure, ask, throw comments down below. I'll be happy to help you understand and navigate this situation. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everybody, and happy flying.